In today's video, I'll show you how to add the policy links to the footer section of the Shopify Horizon theme. Usually by default, the policy link should be displayed right here, but in case they're missing, I'll show you how to restore them. But first, log into your Shopify admin account, then the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and then select Policies. Right in here, make sure you've added your store policies. As in my case, I'm missing the returns policy. Let's click on it, and then select Insert Template. Just keep in mind it's a default template, so before saving it, make sure to review it. As in my case, it's a test store, so I'll just publish it the way it is. Now let's exit this page, then select Online Store. Look for your current theme, in my case Horizon, and then select Edit Theme. Once the editor loads, on the left side of the screen, under Footer, expand the Utilities section, and then click on Add Block. Under Blocks, pick Policy Links. Let's reposition the policy links between copyright and social media links, then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the home page. Now let's scroll all the way down, and as you can see, the policy links are now displayed right here, and they even include the refund policy which was missing. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.